Welcome to the Harry Potter set. These are acrylic letters that are stuck to a backboard, and this is how you use them. Get some fondant. This can be on a cake or on a board or anything. Take the letters out carefully with the scriber needle. Place them onto your fondant. And push them in lightly. Do this with all the letters next to each other. Once you've done, pick them off with the scriber needle, or if you can pick them off with your fingers, do it that way. Get some paint and a very fine paintbrush, and then just water it down a little bit so that it'll go into the letters easy. Paint inside the letters, and that's what you're left with. Thank you for watching.